We learned some great words that fits perfect for the season. Let's see what were those. In Master Azerbaijani, we have weekly recap. Let's see the words. We learned Səfər can mean journey, trip, or travel. We learned Yığışdırmaq for tidy up, clean up, put away, and also pack. We learned İstirahət etmək for rest, relax, and take a break. We learned permission, authorization, permit is İcazə in Azerbaijani. And Təyyarə is for airplane, plane, or aircraft. We also had Çamadan, it's a loanword for suitcase and travel bag. And we had Torba, which is a bag, sack, or pouch. Yes, we used all these words in dead uses. Let's see some of those. If it doesn't fit in my torba, it's not essential. If packing were a sport, my Çamadan would still lose. I packed optimism, but Təyyarə checked it as an excess baggage. My wallet said no, but my heart booked the Səfər anyway. I don't make decisions. My to-do list gives me icazə. Now, which word also means permit? Drop in the comments below. Don't worry about having the perfect letter because I know some letters may not be in your keyboard. Just typing the closest one below. Otherwise, come back tomorrow because we're starting new work with new set of words. And if you do that, if you keep checking it every day, that is bound to happen, which is consistency will bring you fluency. If you are interested in building fluency more, I have masterazerbaijani.com where I post every 10 days blogs on multiple topics. Feel free to check those out. I also have built Master Azerbaijani just for you available at App Store and Google Store. I'm giving away Module 1 completely free, which I believe the most important module that will help you set you foundations of learning the language. Otherwise, come back tomorrow for a new week. Cheers.